Okay, here's my unboxing. And I'm pretty sure I know what it is. But the title will probably tell you anyway. So it's a 620 Pro. It's a Echo. And I have opened the box, but I've never took it out. CS 620 Pro. Ooh. Sweet. Brand new. Where did I get this from? Saw Suppliers. Cheapest place you can get one, Saw Suppliers. It don't got no bar on it. I think I only paid like $5.50 or something. No bar. But I'm going to put the bar I want on it. And I think that was a good way to get one. I could put a 20 inch, I could put a 24, 28, ordered a 28 inch bar. And you don't need a skip chain. Unless you're a pro out on the West Coast. Cutting down giant trees, great old big ones. And then you go on even a bigger saw. This is pretty big for around here now. How did I get this open? Yeah, well, I figure it out. It looks like it comes out the side. The top don't come open. Wow, this is way too suspenseful. Maybe it comes out right here. And of course I don't have a pocket knife on me. I got my keys. They're pretty sharp. Come open. Oh, uh-oh. Well, that's alright. We didn't want to keep this box anyway. Ooh, it's new. There ain't gonna be no problems, I guess. Usually not with new stuff. You have to read about how to break it in. I guess you don't break it in cutting in deep. Right after you fire it up, you gotta let it idle and bring it up a few times. Oh, let's see what the book says. Ooh, I got me a wrench. A scrunch or whatever they call them. The CS 620 Pro. Sure, it's badass. That's a little heavier. I don't know. That's the same as a 590. Seem like. Yeah, about the same. That one there ain't no scratch on it. Let's fire it up. I bet I have a hard time starting this one. Owner's manual. I'm not looking forward to trying to get it started. Actually, it pulls easy. I'm gonna put some gas in it right and rip on it. Start it. Fired up. I don't even know if I got enough gas. Yeah, that could be a problem. Oh, I have very little. Probably just barely enough to start it. Guys, this thing is... Maybe you can't see. Barely. Okay. I mean, there's a little bit of gas in there. It's only up to about right here. Probably just barely enough. Maybe if I don't spill any. And this gas is just some synthetic fuel from two-cycle oil for chainsaws from Tractor Supply. Long time ago. It's synthetic. You don't have to have the best gas. Hey, you can use boat gas. Nothing will happen. But I do use. I did buy. What do you call that? Someco chainsaw. Two-cycle oil. We don't need a whole lot of oil. Stuff just leaks out anyway. Not so bad on these Echoes, I figured out. Oh, like my steel 025. You put it in there, that thing will leak it all out. Better use it right then, because you just wasted your oil. These Echoes, they kind of hold on to it. I really like these saws. I like that you can see through here. You can see the gas. I don't know, you can't see it. But anyway, yeah, let's see if it'll start. I choked it. See? Choked it and then flip it up, turn it on. Okay. I'm gonna go over here where there's some room. Oh boy. What you do is you pull it. Man, it's easy. Pull it through and get it off the compression. And boy, it ain't that easy. Never been started. I wonder if I can start it. Take the choke off after you do that, because she'll get flooded. Oh golly, I knew this was going to be hard. Good grief. Oh man, you need to be a man to start these suckers. I shouldn't have said that. Take my glasses off. Oh my gosh. This has never been started. Turned over, I guess. It's hard. Ooh, it popped off. Y'all hear that? It knocked off the compression. We'll try it again. Pull choke. Put the choke in. I guess I haven't read the instructions. I wonder how long. A while, it says. Grab the instructions. Manual de-operator. Something Korea. Whatever. Operating manual 620 pesos. Warning. Okay, chain brake. Quick chain brake. please comment. Use E10 fuel. What? Well, that's just regular. Shut it off because it says this. It says use E10 or I wish I could see y'all, but I can't. I'm old. I'm gonna turn this off. I probably didn't hurt it. Didn't hardly run at all. Alright, let's see if I can see. Use E10 or less fuel. Do not use fuel containing greater than 10% ethanol. E10 is equipment. Damn, I wish I could see y'all. You're gonna kill me. I mean, glasses. Well, I got these far away glasses. They ain't gonna work. Took them off. I don't think far away glasses will work. Maybe they will if I put it far away. Well, that's worse, I think. Yeah. I need my bifocals. I didn't think this through, y'all. Use E10 or less fuel. I'm sure regular's okay. I'm sure it's a lot better. Checking. No. Containing less than 10%. I guess ethanol is that one. E10 is the equipment. T regular, I think REG. Damage. And I don't know, we'll come back. That's the way my videos are. You got to come back for the next video because we don't know what that says. Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching.